I have little knowledge. I can't say more knowledge. So my teacher, she told me, Sangeeta, you just supervise that they are doing correct or not. So most of the ladies, they were telling me to click photo. I was surprised, means you are coming for yoga or you are coming for photo section. So my mindset nowadays totally changed because of this book only and because of my friends circle. Earlier, I was very stubborn and means I was very much short tempered. Problem is that whenever I speak, I don't take pauses. In Marathi also, in my mother tongue also same. I always speak very much fast. I learn a lot from your conversational video because actually I'm very much excited to tell you it. So that's why I'm telling you in fast. Otherwise, I will forget.
And thank you so much for all your appreciation. I don't think I deserve that, but still,
No,
if
ma'am, you
you
deserve a
really help,
lot.
okay, if
You
you
deserve
help,
a lot. Actually, I told only half. Means trailer हो गया अभी picture तो बाकी भी.
and now you are learning English when you left your job. May I know the reason?
Actually, no, ma'am, that time I was humiliated a lot.
Okay, what a coincidence. Without any consultation, we are wearing blue today. So,
Yes,
okay.
insurance only. Actually, I was about to wear different, but on the spot, I just changed my plan and I wore this one.
Okay. So yes, good morning. I welcome you to my channel, Grammar with Manju ma'am. Welcome to the session. Tell me about yourself. How is
Yes, ma'am,
everything
very
at your
good
end?
morning.
Yes.
Yes, very good morning, ma'am, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, every time saying that it is a cliche, but I'm so happy and so excited at a both means I have that both feelings. I'm little nervous actually, but yes, I'm very much excited, and I know you will make me little comfortable and ease also that I know because I went through your almost all videos. So
Thank you.
that's all.
Thank you for that actually. If you watched my all the videos, almost all nearly I have uploaded more than 600 videos. And if you watched out of them, if even though 50%, it means
Yes.
you watched a lot. Okay, so thank you for
Yes.
that. And as far as making you comfortable, so you look comfortable. I don't have to make you comfortable. You look confident. I don't have to make you confident. Yes, of course, as we will go deep into the conversation, things will become more normal, okay, more
Yes.
casual, because it's just the starting of the conversation. So you might be feeling this, but it's nothing like that. We are just going to talk about our daily routine and how do you deal in your life and how do I do it. Okay. So before I ask you so many things, it would be better that you introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. So, as you know, my name is Sangeeta Dicholkar, and I'm connecting you with the beautiful state, Goa. I'm staying in Vasco da Gama, and right now I'm a proud homemaker.
Mm-hmm.
And if you ask me about my family, so I have family of four. I have two children. My younger son is 19 years old, elder son, sorry, and younger one is 17 years old. And if you ask me about my hobby, so I'm mellophile. I like to listening music, mostly 90s music. And apart from that, nowadays I'm enjoying reading books because earlier I was reading books out of burden only, but nowadays I'm enjoying it. And beside that, I like to ride bicycle. It is my childhood hobby, and still now I'm riding bicycle. And if you ask me my education, so I have completed a general nursing diploma after 12 science, and I was working in pharmaceutical company almost 15 to 20 years. And last year only I quitted my job because of some unavoidable reason, some health issue and some family reasons. So right now I'm a proud homemaker, and I'm very simple woman with kind hearted and strong mindset, and I enthusiast about now English language. So actually I have been learning English almost 5 years, but what happened that time, it was on and off, not continuously. But
Okay.
last 2 years I have been just focusing, and now I'm very much you can say means I have doing it consistently.
You have been
So
doing it
it's
consistently. That's fine. Perfectly
yeah.
all right. Okay. Nice to hear that you are from Goa. Beautiful,
Yes.
beautiful city. Thankfully, I
Yes.
have also visited. So Oh, going to the beaches. It's everyone's dream
Yes.
actually. Yeah. And you are in that city, so you might be
Yes.
enjoying your life. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, you said that you have been learning English for past 5 years, but it was not very consistent efforts from your side.
Yes.
But now
Exactly.
you are consistent. So you worked
Yes.
for so many years. Those days you did not practice for English, and now you are learning English when you left your job. May I know the
Yes.
reason?
Actually, no, ma'am, that time I was humiliated a lot and I was feeling that awkward lot. But now that time, my means I was running behind my family and my career and those things. So that time I didn't give a lot time for English. Actually, here in Goa, almost all people they speak in English. My husband he speaks very fluent English, but he never tried to teach me and he never speak with me in English. But now my both children they are also from English medium, so my elder son nowadays he used to speaking with me in English, or sometimes he correct me also. But what happened, our mother tongue is, my mother tongue is actually Marathi. I am from Maharashtra. Here Goa we speak Konkani language, but
Right.
at home I actually try to speak with my elder son with English. But after some time again I switched to Marathi only, because in English I can't create that bond and that feelings. So
Right.
I tried a lot to speak with him in English. Many times we did also. But again we switched in Marathi, knowingly or unknowingly. So
Right.
that is the thing. Nowadays, I am learning from lot your conversational videos, then all Sunita ma'am and another all ladies. So I'm motivated a lot from your conversational videos only. Because earlier what happened, I used to listen that speech, international speech. So what happened if you listen that speech, we are not using that language in our day-to-day conversation. Now
Right.
what happened
Right.
in your
Very true.
conversational videos, we are every time we use that words only now, and
Right.
I learn a lot from your conversational video, because actually I'm very much excited to tell you it, so that's why I'm telling you in fast. Otherwise I will forget, because the way you speak now, you speak means you have that poised demeanor, and you have that nature, you always listen another person like a naive, okay, because I don't have that patience to listen another person me so patiently, okay, but you have that you can say quality actually. So you always speak with another person like you are also that level, actually your level is very high, but you never ever feel another person that you are very much fluent. So that is your plus point. So that's why I like your video a lot, and you can't believe, but I learn a lot from your videos only. And that's why I was so excited, and I drop you message actually 2 3 days back only, and you replied. So it was shock for me. Means very fast you replied. I think last week or something like that only I drop you email, and you immediately give me response. So I was so happy. So thank you for that once again.
It's my routine, Sangeeta.
Okay.
So whether I give you time the very same day or the next day or not, but all the emails which I receive in one day, I reply to all those emails by night. No matter whether it is 11 or 12 or even at times 1. Okay, but I reply all the emails the very same day, because I know that if I keep on procrastinating, I think I will forget that whom I have replied, whom I have not replied, and to check all these emails going back again, it becomes difficult. So I reply all the emails the very same day. So anybody who would just try to interact with me and they will send me the email or message, then certainly I will reply. Maybe due to my busy schedule, I may not plan a session very quickly, but still, I
Yeah,
try to
good.
do that. And thank you so much for all your appreciation. I don't think I deserve that, but still,
No,
if
ma'am, you
you
deserve a
really felt,
lot.
okay, if
You
you
deserve
felt,
a lot. Actually, I told only half. Means trailer हो गया अभी picture तो बाकी, because I wanted to tell a lot of things, but yes, I will tell you gradually, because in once
one go,
if I
you
tell,
could not do it.
yeah,
Okay,
yes,
no problem, no problem, no problem. But whatever you spoke, it came from your heart. So, and it
exactly.
touched me too. I too liked it. It's not because you are just speaking here for the sake of video. I have heard this from many people, and when you said so, I correlated with their version also, that they also said the more or less like you. So I'm very happy that you feel that my English you understand. You feel that I can make you at ease and calm and okay, because that is very important. Because we all are Hindi speaking people, and we have a great fear of speaking in English. We always go cold feet when we think that somebody with whom I'm going to connect is a better speaker than me. Okay. If you
Yes,
if
correct.
you connect with somebody who is of your level or who is of my level, we will not have any kind of fear. But when
Yes,
we know that the person whom I'm going to connect today is a super duper English speaker, then there is a kind of fear, anxiety in mind. So
exactly.
that you remove. I'm a very, very simple English speaker. I speak very simple English. I don't know very high-fi words also. All right. So first you be calm. All right. And then we will talk more. You said one thing that
Mhm.
your son speaks with you in English, but your
Yeah.
husband doesn't speak with you in English.
No.
Yes. This
Yes.
happens in every family. In every family, at least you are lucky that your son speaks with you in English. My
Yes.
son never. He would never speak with me in English. My husband, never. So we poor ladies, we have to create our own environment. Okay. If we have
Correct.
to speak in English, we have to get to connect with somebody as you approached me. I also approached some people. Thankfully, I'm getting many opportunities to connect with people. So this is how we stay connected with the language.
Correct.
Okay. So now coming to the next point, that everybody has some or the other aspirations from their life. Okay. You worked in the past. Now you are mother of two grown-ups. Actually, I can say both your sons are grown up now. You don't have to raise them now. You just have to
Correct.
guide them that where in which
Mhm.
direction they have to go. So you just have to push them in the right direction. So now what is your aspiration? What do you want? Why are you learning English? Just because in Goa people speak English, or you are learning this because you want to sound fluent, or you want to work in some companies or somewhere again? What is your aspiration with this language?
Yes, actually, ma'am, it's my childhood dream actually, and that time I was thinking that some miracle would happen. Actually, that time also I tried a lot, but you know that direction you can say or that path was not there. I
Mhm.
was that time I was sometimes I was reading books and I was doing that practice, but that path and that mentor everything. And now because of this Corona period, what happened? Lots of platforms are open through YouTube also, so nowadays we have that opportunity. And why I want to learn English? Because I want to become eloquent English speaker, not for speech or those things, but for my satisfaction. Because I
Okay.
don't want to lag behind. Because for that, lots of people humiliated me a lot. Even my husband also sometimes he also humiliated me a lot. So I
Oh.
want to prove myself, not for another person, but for me, because I know I have that hidden talent. Okay, I have that unlimited potential, you can say. I can understand whatever I am reading, I can understand everything. Okay, if another person also speak, I can understand. I have
Mhm.
lot of vocabulary knowledge also, but
Mhm.
the problem is that whenever I speak, I don't take pauses. In Marathi also, in my mother tongue also same. I always speak very much fast, in rush. So that is my problem. But I want to speak now English anyhow fluently and with lots of vocabulary and nice English. Means I don't want to impress another person, but I want to impress myself only because I know I have that talent. Na? So, and why we have to impress another person? No, I don't want to impress another person. I want to show people that I can speak fluent English. Okay, so my desire is that only. I don't want to become international speaker or on the tires. That is, I don't have that dream.
Okay, nice. Nice that you want to prove yourself just because you want to become good
Yes,
speaker. And as you said that you are a bibliophile, you love to read books. Earlier you were just
yes,
reading books for the sake of reading, or maybe some
Exactly.
tutors might have said, You read this book, then you will become
Yes.
fluent. Reading helps in speaking. So you started your journey from there. You started reading, but now you have started loving. Okay. So which type
Yes.
of books do you read, Sangeeta?
See now, ma'am, I am reading a self-help book. Now I am reading currently. You can win or I can win. Shiv Khera. It is very nice book.
Very nice
Atomic
book.
Habits also I read, but I read only half. After that, I felt it monotonous. So now I changed to this one. You can win. It is also very nice book. And ma'am, I want to ask you because heard from many YouTubers to read like that way and to read like that way. So, what is your exactly procedure to read any book? Because what happened in earlier also, I read a lot of book. But if you ask me right now, what you took from that book or just tell me review. So I can't tell you. I know, but I can't express you. So what is exactly a procedure to read any book?
Mhm. Right. When it comes to reading, what is my opinion, what I personally feel is reading should not be imposed forcefully on somebody.
Hmm.
Okay. And you should not read a book which is recommended by me or by
Correct,
XYZ, anybody,
correct,
because
correct.
you may not be interested in that particular book. Okay. Reading
Hmm.
means you read what you really love to read, what you like to read. If you like to read simple newspaper, read newspaper. If you like to read stories, read stories. It's not that I want to impress somebody or somebody has told Manju ma'am is a teacher or XYZ is a teacher and she has told that this book is very good, so I should read. You open that book, see the review of that book, see the genre
Okay.
of the book. If it
Hmm.
really impresses you, then you should read that book. It should not
Okay.
be a forceful approach. Somebody has told, so I have to do. No. If your mind says, okay, that you read, your heart says that really this is a story, I love it. For me, I always love to read Sudhamurthy. Okay, I don't say that there are no other people in the world, and there are many authors, there are many writers. Okay, as you said, this book, that book, I have heard from many, but I always choose Sudha Murthy's collection, and I read that. So it's my own choice. Again, I don't force anybody that you read her, whomsoever you like. First, you inculcate the habit of reading. It's not about only English.
Hmm.
For getting into the habit of reading English, first you have to read maybe your native language book. If you want to read a Marathi book, you can read that. First, you
Okay.
inculcate the habit of reading.
Habit.
For that
Okay.
sake, you have to read where you are interested in. Okay, so read either
Hmm.
Hindi book, Marathi book, or Konkani book, whatever language you know and you are comfortable to understand that. Once
Okay.
you will read those books, you will become a bibliophile. You will start loving books. Then you can
Hmm.
choose any genre which you want to read. All right.
Okay.
It's not that somebody has told you, then you read. You just see your choice. What do you want? And those kinds of books you read. When you will read those kinds of books, you will get more of motivation. Okay, that if you will feel like, Arey, 4 pages I have studied, let me read 2 pages or three more pages, because you get interested in the story. You want to go
Correct.
deep down into it. Okay, and if forceful reading, then probably after one paragraph you will think, now it's enough, I don't want to read. Okay,
Yeah, correct.
so this happens. So read the book which you really like it. Okay,
I
and
also
then
started
one more
to,
question, you said that I cannot recall things that what
yes.
I read in that book. If somebody asks me, give me the summary of any book which you have read in the past.
Hmm.
So for this sake, if you will be interested, then certainly you will remember. If you
Okay.
ask me anything, the books which I read, Sudhamurthy's books, I remember each and every incident, because every incident is very close to my heart. I feel
Hmm.
like reading her books. I love her literature. I love the incidents which she has described in her books. because she has described something from her real life. So
Yes,
real
correct.
life stories are always appealing, I feel. Okay.
Mhm. I also started to read books from Sudha Murthy's only, and
Mhm.
because of her, I think that habit inculcated in my behavior. Because her books are so easy, her language is so easy. Means we are feeling we are living that life. So
Right,
I also
right, very true. And she's so grounded that we feel
correct.
that if she can be so grounded, then who are we? We are just
Yeah,
below average people, middle class families. We belong to a mediocre
correct.
families, isn't it? But she belongs
Exactly.
to such a high-fi family. In spite of that, she's very down to earth.
Yeah, correct. You are absolutely correct.
Yes. Okay, so you
Yes.
wanted to say many things. By now, I think I have given you sufficient time to get normal and to feel comfortable and to share whatever you want to. If you want to share something related to your childhood experience, do you want to share anything, something which was very good, which was funny, which was sad, anything which you want to share in public? Remember this, okay? Because this video is going to be public, so it is very important to think before sharing that what exactly you should share and what you should not share. But still, just for the sake of making it more entertaining, I asked you this question, that you share your
Yeah,
childhood
yeah, why not?
memories.
Sure.
Hmm.
For sure. In my childhood, actually, in my village, actually, I am from village. Okay. My father's place, it is a village. Now
Hmm.
it become town, it became like a city, but that time it was village. And I was first scooter rider there. Means my father taught me this thing because I used to ride cycle. So I very easily I started to ride scooter. That time Bajaj scooter we have, and once what happened, I just took scooter and I went, okay. And after 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer, that fuel was finished, okay. And I was very much tense, but I was sure that my father, he would do something and he would come there. So what happened that time, 1 or 2 kilometer I went, and in a village, everyone knows each other
Each
because
other,
it is
right,
village, no? So
right.
some people they were going from there, and I just told we are calling. Means I was calling my father Anna.
Hmm.
Now he is no more.
Hmm.
So I told just tell my Anna that fuel is over. So my father in rush, he I don't know how he managed. So because these things, petrol pump, it was not near to my house. It was
Right.
actually far from my house.
Hmm.
But how he managed, I still now I don't know. And that time I didn't ask her also.
Hmm.
Ask him
Him,
actually.
right.
And my father, he what he has done, he just in one bottle he brought that petrol, and he reached there in no time. Means I just told, and another next this one he came there and he brought, and I was so happy because I knew that time that my father, he could do anything for me. So that is very
Yes.
actually and now I am realizing that that time I took it for granted. Okay, it was
Granted.
because he used to do lots of things for us. So that time I didn't take it for seriously. But nowadays, when I was sometimes I recalling and I have become very much nostalgic. I used to tell my children also, father is like that only. Father can do anything for their daughter, especially. I don't know
Right,
about
right.
son,
Right,
but
right.
for
Very true.
daughter. And I am not only child, we have five sisters. I am younger, but my father was like that only. And another incident I want to tell you. Actually, once our cycle competition was there, and I was riding bicycle, and my father, he was cheering me a lot, and he came by scooters that time, and he just brought that chocolate. I don't know what we have to tell. It is different type of that chocolate. Ambat goi, we are calling that.
Ah,
So he
comfort,
brought
comfort.
that.
Yes, yes. Orange flavor toffee.
Yeah,
Without,
exactly, exactly.
without wrapper.
Exactly. So he brought and he kept in my mouth. So I don't know, miss, how he was doing. We can't imagine those things. So that things are very much
Close to
memorable
your
things.
heart. Yes.
So that
It's
is the
a
thing. My
father's
childhood
love,
was so
actually. Yes. Parents can do
exactly.
anything for their children. And you are very true, very right that father can do for daughters more than their sons. I know it, they are
Exactly.
very close to their daughters. Yes.
And what happened? I every time now I am comparing my husband to my father only because I born and brought up like that. When my father was very much caring and he was very dashing person actually. So I always compare my husband to my father, and I know it is not correct actually. So nowadays I am not doing, but when I got married, and that time I was continuously comparing, and I used to tell my husband, my father was like that, my father was like that. So that is the thing. So
Yeah.
sometimes we can't never compare two person because everyone has their own specialities, or you can say weakness, or this thing.
Strength.
So and
Actually,
one
your
another thing,
father might have raised you like a princess, but once
yeah.
you got married, here you are
Hmm.
no more princess. Now you are a wife. Yes, you are a daughter-in-law. So your post, your position, everything changed. Okay,
No, ma'am, but I
everything
don't feel
changes.
that my husband has to do for me. I
Hmm.
don't expect. I feel that my husband, he has to do for my children.
Right,
Means he
right,
has to do anything for my children. Like that, I have that expectation. Not for me, because wife is totally different, na.
right, right.
That is different thing. But for his
His
son, he has to do
children.
same things. That expectation I had earlier. Right now I don't have any expectation from anyone because now I change a lot. I have friend circle actually, they all are very much spiritual, and we are doing their English practice also. We are doing that positive affirmation, lots of things. And I am nowadays I am reading self help books, so my mindset nowadays totally changed because of this book only, and because of my friend circle. Earlier I was very stubborn, and my nature was very means I was very much short tempered also. But now I'm just keeping myself calm also, and I just expect whatever coming through. I just expect. Earlier I was expecting lots of things, but nowadays I'm accepting whatever is happening. It is for my good
Whatever
only.
is on the way, everything is good
Um,
because now you have full faith in God that whatever He is doing,
exactly.
He would never do anything wrong with His children. So,
Ex-
probably whatever is coming in front, let us just accept with positive note. So, we are now reading books. You are into learning English, you are into you said you do everyday positive affirmations and all. You have your own committee members, people there where satsang and all also you are associated with.
No, no, I'm not doing that. I'm every day I go for yoga, then meditation,
Yoga,
then positive affirmation. And what I feel, your friend circle, it plays vital role in your
vital
life,
role.
because nowadays I have very nice friend circle. We have one forum on WhatsApp also. So every day, not every day, once in a week, we are doing practice of English. We are not doing their chit chat or any gossiping, nothing. We all are like-minded, and everyone want to improve their English, and they all are above 40 only. So we have different mindset now. So what I believe, you should choose your friends very nicely, because nowadays it's affect a lot. Okay, so I am like that. And ma'am, I want to tell you one thing, actually your beauty is ineffable. Okay, we can't, everyone tell you, I know, because in your YouTube you have long hair, but I'm not telling you about your appearance or about your long hair. Once I listen, Shehnaz Hussain, who is this thing, very
Beautician.
famous beautician. Yeah. So once one this one who interviewer asked her, how would you explain the beauty? Okay. So what she told, and that perfectly matching to you. Okay. So that's why I just wanted to tell you. And it is not my plan. Okay. It is impromptu now. So what she replied, the beauty, it is not like a painting on the wall to be admired from afar, but a real beauty means she is a real and vital person who, through her interactions with others, lingering behind a fragrance of her personality. And you have that, because overall your personality, your hair, that is very different thing. But the way you are carrying everything smoothly, conversation, everything. So that is my definition of beauty, real beauty, because this beauty one day it will perish. Okay, but that beauty, it will never ever perish. So that definition are very much suited on you only. And see, actually, I didn't plan anything, but whatever I means earlier, I used to listen. That suits on you only. So it's
Thank you.
it's impromptu and it is bottom of the my heart. It is not for praising and just to pamper you, but it is real because I am very much straightforward. My all friends know whenever they want any feedback or anything, so they always say, Sangeeta, please you tell because they know I every time I tell whatever truth, whatever I don't like, I tell them straightforward. So most of the time they ask me, so I'm like that only. So
Good.
I'm not praising you because it is
Such
true.
people are
That's why.
always good. What is there inside, that is only outside. It should be
Yeah.
like that only. You should be just like an open book. Okay?
Yeah.
Nothing should be hidden. That is because life is very short. Yeah. And if
Yes.
you simply can impress someone because of your inner beauty, not outer beauty is not in our control. That God
Exactly.
has shaped us in whatever way He felt like. So no credit goes to us. But if something we have acquired, we have learned, we have adopted by seeing in the society, seeing our ideal people, okay? So if those things impress someone, okay? So that is actually very valuable, important for life. Thank you so much for sharing so many things. I loved connecting with you, and time is about to get over. If you have anything more to share or something, then please. Otherwise, we will certainly, I would love to connect with you once again. I could not ask
Oh,
many
why
things I had in my mind.
not?
I just left you free so that you can speak. All right.
So, ma'am, today it is International Yoga Day. So, are you doing yoga? Because I never heard from you that you are doing yoga or something. So, are you doing yoga or you are doing another exercise?
No, I actually am more into walking. So I
Okay.
go for walking every day. I do a
Mhm.
little meditation, not much, little for
Okay.
10-15 minutes. I do meditation. But yes, it is a yoga day today. So I joined one club, and I started doing for past 15 days, I can say. And today also in the morning I got up at 5, and then I joined that group and I did yoga for just 20 minutes. But I'm not a yoga person, honestly speaking. I don't get time also, and then I'm not into yoga much. I feel like just walking and doing household chores, that is more than enough for me. And then I do lots of things in my garden, so that keeps me fine.
Okay. And just I want to tell you, in the morning, actually, I went for yoga. Actually, every day I go for yoga 5 o'clock. So today it was 5:30. And what happened today? Lots of women's they came there for the sake of only photographs, you know. So I was just means I was just supervising. They are doing correct or not because I have little knowledge. I can't say more knowledge. So
Mhm.
my teacher she told me, Sangeeta, you just supervise that
Mhm.
they are doing correct or not. So
Mhm.
most of the ladies they were telling me to click photo. I was surprised means you are coming for yoga or you are coming for photo section because nowadays it's not ladies are very much prone to make that reels and everything and posting their status. Actually, they
Facebook
are not coming.
status,
Yes,
Instagram, and I don't know, so many platforms. So just for the sake of posting, some of them they do it, and
exactly.
it's not. It doesn't appeal me like posting our everyday's activity on social media. That is not
Social media.
required, I feel. But still, everybody has their different choices, and whatever they feel like, they do it.
No, but what my ma'am, I would like to suggest you at least do pranayam or some little stretching because you know earlier I had lot of back pain and
So
another
pranayama, when
problem
I
also.
said meditation, so pranayama is
Yes.
the part of it. Okay, I
Okay.
do pranayama. Yes, and 20 minutes
So
I do
earlier,
only that. I do only that. The
because now
chanting,
earlier I
mantra
was in
chanting,
the
and breathing in,
yes.
breathing out, and taking
Okay.
care of all 7 chakras, and then staying
Okay.
on each chakras. And that
Okay.
I do it for nearly 10 to 15 times. That's it.
Yeah, that is more than enough. If you do every day, then it is good. Because earlier I was encountering lot of backache and another problem also that I can't share you right now. So
Mhm.
I was facing a lot, and I couldn't take that time tablet because as a nurse I know what is side effects of painkillers.
Mhm.
So I was suffering a lot due to back pain and lots of things, because in my delivery time, post delivery, I didn't take lot of rest, because what happened, after my second child's delivery, my father expired on 12th day only. So that time I became means I was very near to my father now. So
Quite
I didn't
upset.
give attention to my body, because that time you have to take care a lot after delivery. So
Mhm.
because of that, now my means earlier my body became very much, you can say, delicate. But because of this yoga,
Yoga and all,
actually,
you recovered.
yeah,
Yes,
I
good,
don't
good.
have now any back pain, touch wood, but I don't have back pain, any pain. So
And
that is the
great,
yeah,
great, great.
advantage of yoga.
No, that's lovely. Sangeeta, anytime call will
Yes.
be disconnected because time is about to get over.
Yes.
How did time fly? I could not even track a time also. Okay, thank you so much for being here on my channel and sharing so many interesting things. You're part of live even. Okay, so I would love to connect with you in future too. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. And once again, happy International Yoga Day. And I would
Thank you,
like
same to
to
you.
say you thank you at the bottom of my heart, because you shared here a lot of your wisdom. And more than that, you just enhance my confidence. And I would also like to incorporate that poised demeanor, what you already have. So I'm also trying, because I'm very much fast